Mini ozone air purifier for refrigerator. Get rid of annoying bed smells, bacterias. Food rots and molds. Bacteria are everywhere. Ozone Deodorizer can easily keep the natural state of food. Just press 2 seconds to start working. Small size, save space. Good air circulation and all-round coverage. Dual mode sterilization. Switch easily. Make a fresh environment on your refrigerator. Ozone preservation. Keep fresh, safe and healthy. Protect your family health now. One charge can work for 15 days in daily mode. Multi-scene usage like washroom, kitchen, car, wardrobe, etc. Buy now the all-in-one ozone air purifier.